Well, hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today we are on Lake Wateree in Winnsboro, South Carolina. We put in at Lake Wateree State Park. It's got a couple boat ramps, a lot of really cool amenities, but we're not here to check those out. We're here to catch some fish. Let's get to it.
Well, I ain't got no money.
Well, he ain't got no money.
And a slap run out of beans.
And a slap run out of beans.
And the kids are getting hungry.
And the kids are getting hungry.
I can tell you what that means.
I can tell you what that means.
River rats.
River rats.
And cool stew.
And cool stew.
Baby, that's what I'm cooking you.
What I'm cooking you.
River rats.
River rats.
And cool stew.
And cool stew.
Baby, that's what I'm cooking you.
What I'm cooking you.
Well guys, things are not going so well. I've been out here for a while, haven't gotten a single bite. And I got a little confession to make. And that is, this is not my first time putting in at this particular launch. I usually try to show everything, even the days that I don't do good. But that one was particularly bad. And I figured since I'm not catching anything now, I will show you the highlights of the prior video, like this one.
As I'm railing against some of the extreme measures of the lockdown, of the shutdown. What we're talking about here are non-intrusive, non-threatening, not liberties-oriented, for a period of time. This is
First catch of the day. Some kind of trucker's cap. Well, hey guys, I'm still out here fishing. I put in at about 7 o'clock. It is noon. I haven't gotten a single bite. I have talked to several guys out here. The only people who are catching anything are the crappie fishermen. They're catching. None of the bass guys are catching anything. Well, that being said, it looks like I might have two videos of not very good stuff, not very good content. But I'll show you a highlight of the last time I was out here. Take a look at this awesome catch. What in the world is this? Holy sh**.
And this person that shared this with me, oh my God, look at this. And I'm like, hold on, let's break it down here. And I went through it, all the breaking down and free market and, you know, all of these little subtleties of his and how he said it and explained it. And she was like, oh. But see, on...
Holy sh**.
I think you should. You'd understand government today much better. You'd understand
That big turtle.
today much better. You'd understand Fox News a lot better. You really should. I have a copy.
Yes, I know.
I'm really getting anxious.
Well, guys, still not catching anything. The last time I was out here, not only was I not catching any fish, I mean, obviously I caught the trucker's cap and the humongous turtle. I also, on that particular day, I had to cut it short. I wasn't able to stay out there the full day like I had wanted to. Let me show you how that went.
Weather started getting rough, the tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. The minnow would be lost. The ship's aground on the shore.
Well, guys, it's official. Lake Wateree State Park has kicked my butt twice. I've been out here 2 times, skunked both of them. That's just demoralizing. I'm still gonna post this video, and I don't want to, but it's one of these things where it's like I walk a fine line here. I walk a fine line between, number one, trying to be honest with you. You know, I don't just show the greatest hits. You know, I make a conscious effort to show you how much of an amateur that I am. I show you all my bloopers, all my incompetence, all of my poor fishing decisions. I try to show all of it just because I want to be open and honest with everybody. But there's a fine line that you walk between being open and honest and being entertaining, because not catching fish is not very entertaining. But I'm still going to show this this video just so you have a accurate representation of this, because a part of what I try to do with the channel is show you what the fishing is like and at the different spots. So it would be disingenuous if I only showed you a day that I was out here and was absolutely on fire. I want to show that this is, I'm sure it's a great fishing spot. However, it has the potential to be a not great fishing spot too. So be that what it may, be that what it is. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm still going to show this video. Sorry there was no fish catches, but hopefully you were entertained by the turtle. that turtle was an epic fight. I got to tell you, that was one of the best fights of my life, was fighting that cooter. But anyways, I'm going to wrap it up for today's adventure. If you'd like to know anything about the launch, I'm going to put all the information down in the description box. But while you're there looking at all that pertinent information, like, share, and subscribe. The likes, the shares, the subscribes, everything means so much to me, and it helps keep this channel alive. I would appreciate if you do that. This channel is updated every week with new fishing content and new fishing adventures. That way, when you subscribe, you're not going to miss out on that alert to tell you there's a new Abide Fishing video coming up. But it's about 1 o'clock. I'm going to lick my wounds, head on back to the ramp. But I'll be seeing you next week. This is Josh, and this is Abide Fishing.
Well, I ain't got no money,
Well, he ain't got no money.
and a slap run out of beans,
And a slap run out of beans.
and the kids are getting hungry.
And the kids are getting hungry.
I can tell you what that means.
I can tell you what that means.
River rat